So here I am gonna make the egg with with microwave because I'm hungry. See, so there you go. Get a plate. I don't want a plate. I'll just use a bowl. This bowl microwavable. See, it's microwave safe. How do I? What's that? Oh, that's bright. So turn it down a bit. Go back a bit and zoom in. Classic trick. Microwave safe. And did put it safe. So what you gonna do? Then go get your egg. There is egg here. How did that not crack? Yeah, and then I'll just yes, now the egg it's in the bowl. Egg bowl. No. Make sure that there's a thing in its shell. Go over here. Open up a microwave valve. Put this in the middle. Smells of it. Is it alright if I make an egg? What is cracked it? Put it to about 3 minutes. No, this part, yeah, no. See, this thing, it should start after a while. I don't know why I've done it so quickly, but see, I haven't started yet. That white you can see, that's not egg, that's just the light reflecting. But make sure your egg's in here. That it goes into the microwave on. I'm gonna set mine to medium high. Like, about 2 minutes there. Alright, so I cut out the video. This is it where it ended. See, it's not done yet. I think that would be kind of. I'm not gonna touch it because I think that would be kind of like really jokey, but let's just close this back up. I bet that was the popping up again. It's a joke. No, that's just so far. Just let it finish. Pop in. When you hear that, it means it be done fried. Now, that's an egg. I think I cooked it soft as well. I think I did that good. I can hear it. You hear that? The egg, you see. Oh, I got my phone all steamy. Let's get myself a fork. Right now, we're just gonna see if I made it. Yeah, I cooked it a little bit too much, and that was. Oh, my phone's gonna shut down.